Okay, boys and girls, in this part, you're going to be writing, basically responding to the two stories. Number 11 says, choose one character from Pete's Cousin or Rice for Everyone. Write how he or she changes. Use details from the passage to support your answer. So there are three things you need to do. The first thing is to choose one character from Pete's Cousin or Rice for Everyone. So do that first. If you need to hear the stories again, you can go back to the first two recordings or you can look at your own papers. So the first thing is to pick a character. Okay, once you have your character, remember, it doesn't matter which story. Now what you're going to be thinking about is how that character changed. Think about how they changed from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. Think about it first, because then you're going to write about how they changed from the beginning to the end. In your writing, the third thing you need to do is make sure you tell or use details from the passage. In other words, tell what the character did that shows that they changed from the beginning to the end. Okay, you can see you have quite a few lines here. You need to make sure you have capital letters and some type of punctuation at the end. Please write neatly. You know, I'm old and it's hard for me to see your writing. And please try your best. Circle any words that you don't know how to spell, but that you tried. Okay, I can't wait to read what you write.